Whoa.
You want more? Are you happy, boy?
Is that fun?
Hold on, honey.
You want more?
Okay. Here, Addie, we gotta do this one yet.
You ready?
No, no, no,
Charlie
no,
girl.
no.
Here, let's do this one.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
Push. Push, honey.
What?
No, 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 no.
Oh, oh,
no, 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 no. You gotta leave them on there.
Leave
They
them,
got-
Maddie. Leave them. Here, baby.
Alright, here we are.
Here,
Okay.
Don't want that.
Put it back. Okay, no more.
Press.
Here, we're gonna put them
Use
in
your
the
hands,
oven.
baby.
That's it.
Good job.
I hope you're aiming the
Good job.
What's going on?
Here, Addie. Decorate that one. Put some sprinkles on there.
No, with your fingers. Go like
Here,
that.
baby. Can we do the bell?
Put it on there.
Charlie, baby.
Good job.
No.
Go get another one. There you go.
Hold on, Daddy. Roll out some more. Eat. Good job, Addie.
Do the next one.
Oh, look at that. No, don't put it in
Don't
your
onto
mouth.
that. Here, can you put hand on that?
Oh. Does that feel cool? Oh, me!
Good job, Addie.
No,
Okay, hold
no.
on. Let Daddy roll out some more.
Do you hear
Good
her?
job, Addie.
I'm not taking a picture of her. She goes, me!
Yeah. I said, where'd she get that?
Hold on, honey. Daddy do some more.
He was pointing it towards me.
What?
He said you were
Good
pointing it
job.
towards me.
Okay,
Are you
he's got
pointing
another
towards
one.
Bree?
I was like,
There's enough on there, Addie.
Are you saying me?
No, 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 no. Leave them on there.
Leave 'em, Addie.
Addie, leave them on there. They gotta cook.
Oh. Almost got your fingies.
You.
You're gonna hurt yourself, Kaden.
No, Addie, you can't keep picking them up.
Leave it on there.
It's on the tray.
Let go.
Let go. Let go. No, wait. Uncle Craig's getting another one.
No.
Ready?
No, leave them go
Push.
until we get the next one.
Push, 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 push.
Oh, no.
Push, honey.
Okay.
Push, baby. Put your hand there.
She's like, no.
Charlie girl, right there. Good. Ooh, good job. Yay.
No, wait. He's got another one.
Hold on. Charlie girl, hold on, baby. Okay, there you go,
Hey, now
Addie.
you got one to cup. There you go. Oh,
Can you do another one, sweetheart? Charlie, baby.
Push it down.
of course he looks okay.
Woo, good job. Good job.
Boop.
Yay, good job.
okay. We gotta wait for the next one.
There you go, Addie. I'll give this to Addie.
Oh, there's one. You want a green one?
You want to do this
Like
one
a
or no?
green tree?
You want to do this one, honey, or
Right
no?
here.
Can you
No,
do
right
it?
here.
You do.
On.
There you go. Good job. Now, wait, we gotta wait for the next one now.
Boo-doo-doo. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, what
Oh,
was
there's a
your-
snowman. Do the snowman.
Hey.
You do? You do, honey.
Here, do the snowman.
Woo, good job. Good job.
Good job. Do it again.
Daddy, you got the pelt whip and everything.
There you go. Okay, we gotta wait for the next one now.
No, no. Oh, some of that went on the floor.
Oh, and it's gone.
Oh, no. Daytona, no. Shit.
I can't say there was a pocket in there either.
Nope, honey. Okay, we're not going to use that one again.
Is that good? Good hunting.
Good job, Addie.
Look, I got a reindeer.
Getting a reindeer. Do the reindeer.
Woo, good job.
I don't know. She's just like,
Salt Bay.
How sweet.
is that a good snowman?
Good job.